dear whales, there will be NFT mining smart contract meanings in this video. I'll introduce you crypto terms chapter 2. Before investing, this video is very vital to put your headphones and directly get into. Do not miss any words or you will lose too. After this speech, let's dive into. I am hereby to give you an education. There is no advice or $1 million information. And the first one will be Gemcoin or Gem token. It's a term to call low cap and promising cryptocurrencies, and these games are expected to have super high potential. When you see videos like this, 20x Gemcoin, 50x Gemcoin, these are the coins they talk about. And our second term will be halving. This is the action of cutting reward into half. Bitcoin has halving approximately every 4 years. On the other way, halving can happen if miners have operated 210,000 blocks. Our next halving is in 2024. On this halving, miners have 6.25. After 2024, they will have 3.12 Bitcoin. On Binance website, you can follow the countdown of halving. As you see, we have 731 days, 10 hours, 20 minutes, and the second. So the website, academy.binance.com/en/halving. You can follow it. The other one will be ICO. It means initial coin offering. It's a type of funding using cryptocurrencies. Probably the biggest ICO was Ethereum, and it was sold 31 cents per coin. When in 2014, 30 August, on ICO Jobs website, we have IDO. This means initial DEX offering. It's a new and exciting type of decentralized and permissionless crowdfunding platform. We have stablecoins. Stablecoin is a class of cryptocurrency that offers stable price. It's backed by reserve assets. The biggest stablecoin is Tether. What does reserve assets mean? Reserve assets are dollar, euro, and these ones. And also Turkish lira, ruble. These are reserve assets. Digital form of these assets are called stablecoins. On CoinMarketCap website, you can see stablecoins. The first one is Tether, second USD coin, third Binance USD, fourth Terra USD, and the other ones. dApp is the stablecoin working under Ethereum blockchain. And our different term will be Satoshi. The name Satoshi comes from the creator who's accredited by Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi is the smallest denomination of Bitcoin. So 1 Bitcoin equals to 100 million Satoshi. We have white paper. This is the very important step of a project, very important step of fundamental analysis. So as I told you before in our video, that when we have fundamental analysis, one of the most important steps to search and also to find a project is white paper. It's super important to read white paper. If you're able to do this, you will be one step further. And this step is really important step. So what about the definition of it? It's an informational document written by companies to promote the features of a solution or a project. We have light paper. So this is shortened and concise version of white paper. As you see, Radium Protocol light paper was published in 2021 February, and one of the craziest topic ever on blockchain, on cryptocurrencies, and this is NFT, Non Fungible Tokens, and it can digitally represent any assets such as digital artwork and real assets. What do you mean by telling real assets? Yes. Which means, imagine you buy a house and you pay the money of the house, you get the land title, and the transaction of your buying and getting land title, you can make this transaction on blockchain. And as output of this transaction, you have your NFT, Non Fungible Token. You can only transfer this. And also, let's talk about fungible tokens too. Like the fungible tokens are cryptocurrencies, as we all know. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, and the other ones are fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens, when we have real examples from blockchain, are Bored Apes Yatch Club and CryptoPunk. And we have dApp. It means decentralized application. It's an application built on a decentralized network, combining a smart contract and front-end user interface. We have DEX. It is decentralized exchange. As you see right on the picture, we have Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap. These are DEXs, and they are not operated by companies. It's a peer-to-peer marketplace where people buy and sell cryptocurrencies. We have CEX. Basically, it is centralized exchange. It's operated by company. So which company is it? When you see the picture, Binance. The exchange, the largest exchange in the world, Binance, is centralized exchange. But what about PancakeSwap? Is it centralized exchange? No. It is decentralized exchange. And the other exchanges we know, Gate.io, Kucoin, Bithumb, and we can expand it. We have Coinbase, the most popular cryptocurrency marketplace in the USA. It is centralized. And also we have Coinbase Effect too. We have gas. It's the cost necessary to perform transactions on network. When we buy and sell things, we must pay gas. Now I think you've understood better what gas is. We have market capitalization. It is total market value of related project. To be able to calculate market cap is the short version of market capitalization. So how do we do this? Circulating amount multiply current price equals to market cap. Okay, now I'll show you one real example. This is the Bitcoin price and this is the circulating supply. I will get the circulating supply and I will multiply this amount with this amount. So the result will be market cap. This will be my result. And our next word will be volume. It is sum total of actual trades happening in markets. And also the second word will be one of the most important one when it comes to volume. Liquidity. Liquidity is the amount available for trading. We have to be very careful about volume and liquidity. How we will be careful? Can you please give an example to us? Okay, so when we have huge projects such like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have crazy amount of volume, super high. So this means that this project is not that volatile. It cannot change a lot. I mean, the price of Bitcoin cannot change a lot. Of course it can change, but not huge. Okay, and also the thing is the liquidity. What I meant by telling liquidity is this, liquidity. So now when we come to this one, so it's 0 to 1000. If this is close to 1000, this means people have money to buy, people have money for Bitcoin. People are waiting for Bitcoin. If this is high, you can trust it. If this is low, please be careful. For example, 572, is that fine? Yeah, it is fine. If you cannot decide it, I want you to check confidence part. If it's high, or if it's high, you're cool. If it's moderate or somehow cool. If it's low, if it's red, you should be very careful. We have Node. So what is this? Node stores and spreads and preserves the blockchain data. Hence, blockchain exists on Node. I will give you right this website, Nodes Guru. You can use your machine, you can use your laptop, you can use your computer, and you can create your own node for projects, for proof of work projects. As you see, this is kind of a mining as well. You have transactions. You confirm these transactions on blockchain and you help the blockchain of the project. And also you can get rewards by project itself. They can reward you by giving you the tokens of project. They can reward you by paying fiat money, stuff like that. Depends on the project. You can check nodes, you can run your own node, and you can make passive income as well. Keep in mind, if you want to have more videos about this nodes, please text on the comments. If I see your comments, I will create you a video about nodes. And super popular word, peer-to-peer. So what does this mean? Direct exchange of some assets between two individuals. It has become super popular since Bitcoin was created. And as you see right on the white paper, it's written that peer-to-peer electronic payments. We have smart contract. It's a program stored on blockchain. It is self-executing contract with the terms of agreement between buyer and also seller. Have you ever imagined or have you ever wondered who is behind smart contract of Ethereum? The name is Nick Szabo. Yes, Nick Szabo was one of the pioneer leader of smart contracts before Ethereum was created. And now rather important word will be Gwei. It's a term in cryptocurrency community for a very small amount of Ethereum currency. It is used to pay fees for transactions on Ethereum network. One Gwei equals to that Ether. I don't want to make you tired of calling out these Ether amounts, so you can follow this. When we have 10 Gwei, this becomes 10 Ether. Okay, now we will check where we can see Gwei. And when you open CoinMarketCap, just come to that point, you can see that what Gwei we have, which means when you buy or sell, when you have transaction on Ethereum blockchain, this is the Gwei you will pay for each transaction. So what does slow, standard, fast mean? If you want your transaction to be faster, you will pick that fast and you will pay more Gwei and the transaction will happen in a short time. We have fiat. Yeah, fiat doble, fiat linear. Unfortunately, no. We are not talking about it. We're talking about fiat money. The money of governments, the money of countries, the legal tender. It's government issued currency. So dollar is a fiat, euro is a fiat. We have the team behind Bitcoin. Yes, you may have heard these names. You have seen these pictures on TEDx, on social media and stuff like that. But you didn't see them all together. And what I believe is this: Bitcoin was not created by a person. It was created by a group of people. And this group of people are these 5 gentlemen. And we've got more people, of course, but these are the top guys in Bitcoin. We have the father of CryptoPunk. By the way, before we start, and so what is this CryptoPunk? CryptoPunk was created in 1990s. Before they had Bitcoin, before we had Google and stuff like that, they used to communicate via emails. Yes, via emails. No Messenger, no Facebook and stuff like that. And also, after that, they were thinking about creating some digital money. And also, they were trying to have some projects. And one of them did it, Nick Szabo. And the project name is BitGold. When you Google the names of the projects, you can see BitGold, and also he is the father of distributed blockchain system, and we can see this distributed blockchain system on BitGold. Luckily we have this one on Bitcoin as well. Interesting. We have Julian Assagne. You may have heard the guy. As you see the guy, he is one of the founders of WikiLeaks. We have David Chaum. He is the founder of CryptoPunk. When you Google him, you will see very interesting things, and he wrote an article in 1995, and he was talking about one electronic payment system. Ready in 1995, in most of the countries we didn't have any internet. Seriously, but David Chaum, was thinking about creating an electronic payment system. He wrote an article about it, and the title of the article was this: CryptoPunk against the Big Brother watching. If you have heard about George Orwell 1984, you can get to know Big Brother watching. And we have Adam Back. So as you know, we have algorithm of Bitcoin, and this is proof of work. So he is the founder of proof of work algorithm. We have Hal Finney, super duper interesting. He is the first person whom Satoshi transferred Bitcoin. He's the first man to have gotten Bitcoin. We have BitGold. It was created by Nick Szabo in 1998, and it is one of the earliest attempts at creating decentralized virtual currency. It has the architecture called distributed, no center at all. Guess what? Bitcoin has the same architecture. Interesting. We have rug pull. It's a type of scam where developers abandon a project and take their investors' money. Beware of these kind of projects. When you see the projects, especially we have these rug pull on meme coins. We have mining. It is the process of creating new Bitcoin by solving puzzles. Also, it confirms transactions on network and makes them trustworthy. As you see on the picture, this is ASIC machine. Did you know that before we started using ASIC machines, we used to use our PCs, but not GPU. We used to have CPU mining. But after that, we couldn't make it happen because the computers we had were slow, and after halving, it was too hard to mine Bitcoin on computer laptop. ASIC machines, special machines only for Bitcoin and proof of work algorithm cryptocurrencies. And guess what? What we are going to have in near future, NVIDIA will be producing Bitcoin machines, and it will be more efficient, 15% more efficient than these ASIC machines. We have come to the end of our video. Unfortunately, I hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell. Till next time, take good care of yourself.